Dan and Michelle with Honeymoon Always, and today we are at beautiful beaches, Turks and Caicos. Now, when we were first starting out to go visit every single Sandals resort, we asked people which resort was their favorite, and they'd always say beaches, Turks and Caicos, which surprised us because this is a kid-friendly resort and Sandals resorts are all adult only. But that should tell you just how incredible this resort is. We are so excited to tell you about this resort. We hope the video is super helpful, and if it is and you're ready to book, we're gonna leave a link in the description below directly to the beaches website that will tell the resort that we helped you, and we appreciate that so much. You can also get customized support from us, your friendly YouTube travel agents, with info@honeymoonalways.com. Just shoot us an email, we'd love to help you. Now, I think the thing that really sets this resort apart is the incredible beach here. In Turks and Caicos, the water is known to be just clear and turquoise, and that's the case here. It's stunning. There's a really long stretch of beach that a lot of people are able to enjoy because there's so much space here for this resort specifically, and the water, even just off resort, is perfect for snorkeling. But there are several snorkeling excursions you can take as well, so you can meet all of the sea creatures. The water temperature, at least right now, we're here in September, it feels better than many pools. It's just incredible, and we're having the best time. Usually we like to split our time between the beach and the pools, but here the beach has been so incredible. We have been staking out here all day long.
Now this resort has tons of pools. We've been enjoying the one that is steps from our room on the Caribbean side, and that's a bit quieter, but has a restaurant right there. It's really great for lunch. The pool in the Italian village is known to be a little more lively, but in general, you're probably gonna pick the pool that is closest to your room to enjoy during your stay. There's also a water park that has several water slides that are great for kids or adults that act like kids, and there's food options right there, so you can spend a lot of time there during the day. Now, when it comes to choosing your room on resort, there are tons of options, and it's broken down in a few different villages. We've been staying in the Caribbean village, which is on one side of the resort, and we've really enjoyed it. There's a pool right there, it's close to the beach, and the room is great.
Here's what our room in the Caribbean village looks like. We had the seaside 2-bedroom luxury Butler villa suite. It sleeps up to 8 people. There are 2 bedrooms, one with a king-size bed, another with double beds. There's also a pull-out sofa. We had 4 adults here and slept very comfortably. Also in the Caribbean village is the Caribbean Honeymoon Grand Lux King Room. It sleeps 4 with a king-size bed and a twin day bed with a trundle. The photos online are limited and outdated, so hopefully this gives you a better idea of what to expect. There are 3 other villages and a 4th currently under construction. The Italian village is near a large pool and lots of restaurants. Some rooms, like this one, even have an ocean view. This is the Italian Ocean View Concierge Family Suite with Kids Room. It sleeps 6 with a king-size bed and bunk beds with a trundle. The French village is further back from the beach, and the rooms don't have balconies. These are generally more affordable rooms, and they're close to a big pool and the Café de Paris, where you can get your morning coffee and crepes. This is the French village luxury double room. It sleeps 4 with 2 double beds and a sleep chair. We don't have a room to show you in the Key West village, but a lot of the rooms are larger, and some even have plunge pools. There are some small communal pools in this area, and it's right on the beach. It kind of feels like its own resort, because at one point it was, until Sandals bought it. And last, there's the Treasure Beach Village, which is currently under construction and should be open in 2025. If you want more information about these once they're open, email us so we can help.
Now, we like to try Butler service in many of the resorts that we go to, and this resort is no exception. And I have to tell you that the Butler service here has actually gone above and beyond anything we've experienced at other resorts, from setting out beach chairs with a huge cooler to leaving several rounds of snacks in our room while we're out and about. They've been helping us to make dinner reservations and navigating our way around the resort. So for us, this has been the most special Butler service experience that we've had. But even if you don't get Butler service here, service overall has been fantastic, and we think you'll have a great time regardless. When we thought about the food at an all-inclusive resort that's kid-friendly, we weren't exactly sure what we would find, but we are so impressed with the quality of the food here. We've had some food we've really enjoyed, whether it's adult intended or kid-friendly food. We really love the mac and cheese food truck over by the water slides. We've also really enjoyed the Southwest style lunch buffet that we've been having, and dinner at the Italian restaurant was awesome. This resort is great if you have all sorts of types of eaters, whether that's picky eaters, people with food allergies, kids, adults. I think everyone's gonna find something they'll enjoy.
Being that this is a kid-friendly resort, one question we get all the time is it okay for couples? And we've been having a great time here without any kids. Now, we made it a bit of a couples trip and we brought my cousins along with us, and it's just been so much fun. But right now it is just after Labor Day and the kids have gone back to school. We're at about 40% occupancy here, and it has been amazing. It does not matter if you have kids or not, it's just a great vacation. You might want to keep this in mind for the busier times like spring break or during the summer, even the holidays, when it might be at higher capacity and have a lot of kids. It may impact your visit, but it really depends on you to how you feel about being surrounded by kids. But definitely, especially this time of year, you can have an amazing romantic vacation if you'd like.
To activities here, there are many options, including the snorkeling that can be done right off the beach here. They will rent you some snorkels for free that's included in your stay, and you can enjoy that right here on the beach. However, you can also take a short snorkeling trip that's also included in your stay if you want to get a little bit further and see some more sea creatures that way. However, if you want to do even more snorkeling, you can work with Island Routes to book an excursion that will take you even further out, seeing some other things. Island Routes has a lot of great options. You'll also notice that on the beach here, there are other vendors who have things like parasailing and jet skiing, and those are not associated with the resort here. So there are other options available to you, but just know that it's not included in the cost of your stay.
At beaches, they have entertainment for the whole family. You'll find Sesame Street characters and shows, but also fire dancers, musical performances, and movies. If you are coming with kids, Beaches has INA and IBCCES certified nannies and kids camp staffers with lots of age-appropriate activities. There's daycare for kids and an area for teens, including a nightclub.
Now, if you can't tell, we love this resort. If you've watched our video where we've ranked every single Sandals resort, we'd actually place this one in our top 3. Which I think is saying a lot because it is a kid-friendly resort. That's how much fun we've had here and how much we are gonna be recommending it to our customers. So if you wanna work with us, please shoot us an email, info@honeymoonalways.com. We'd love to help you. Or if you're ready to book right now, we have a link in the description below that'll take you directly to the website to book, and it does give us credit. We appreciate that so much. You can also follow along with us on Instagram @honeymoonalways, and we'll see you at the next stop.